Yeah, I came back here today because the first time I stood by this river, I saw frames in my head I just couldn't shake. You know that feeling when you see something, maybe you snap a quick photo with your phone, but then it sticks. You keep thinking, I need to come back, set it up properly and see if the magic is there, can you capture it? The magic isn't always spectacular. It isn't the Colosseum or the Grand Canyon. It's the way water falls around the stone. It's the silence that opens when you finally stop brushing. These places are everywhere, little worlds easy to miss. But when you notice them, when you take the time to see, they grow fast. So I came back to listen, to frame, to let this place remind me what flow feels like. The first time I couldn't even stand here, it was all wild water after days of rain. But today it was totally different, I could step in and suddenly I realized, wow, this is going much further and I can actually walk through here. The low water opened it all up and you start to see things you'd never notice otherwise. Every time I come to places like this, I tell myself, I need to spend more time outside. And yet, it almost never happens. Why is that? How about you? What's your favorite spot?